Established almost 25 years ago as a rail-focused engineering company, Emeg Group now comprises a head office and state-of-the-art manufacturing, distribution and training centre in Chesterfield, a design office in Manchester and an international base of operations in Dubai. Emeg provides full turnkey solutions and a range of specialist services individually tailored to the needs of owners and operators of rail facilities, depots, stations and sidings, including design, engineering, maintenance and the world's first depot protection system, DPS, with integrated facial recognition technology, safeNet. A one-stop shop for rail operators, Emeg also supplies a wide range of industry-leading depot products. What really sets Emeg Group apart is its commitment to post-install aftercare, uptime and lifecycle replacement. By offering the very highest levels of depot maintenance services, Emeg helps to ensure that its clients can run their rail facilities safely and at maximum efficiency wherever they are in the world. Emeg's experienced team is focused on delivering the highest level of service, efficiency and safety with its nil accident culture HSE platform. Have you got the knack? And a growing list of accreditations to prove its commitment to quality. Emeg Group's base of international operations in Dubai enables it to better serve its growing list of clients in Europe, the Middle East, Africa and Asia on some of the most ambitious rail engineering projects taking place in those regions.
There's huge expansion in the Middle East going on in the rail industry at the moment, and the focus from Emeg is to be out there and offer our full service package.
Our range of products are quite unique in that we can offer turnkey solutions to the whole depot. We have competitors in various elements of what we do, but there isn't anybody out there that can do the whole suite of products that we do.
I've been approached by numerous projects across the Middle East, and I think just to be able to service our customers, it made sense to have a base there. Being able to be face to face with our customers, with the time difference, it's nice to be able to, if there's an issue or we need to help somebody, we're only now, a maximum an hour away from any of the sites and projects we have there. And having that base where we can actually deliver engineering solutions from the Middle East without having to rely on the UK, and I think that just speeding up the process has been very well received by our customers.
Back in the UK, Emeg operates a purpose-built manufacturing and distribution centre of excellence, which means its entire product range can be manufactured in-house and under one roof, resulting in greater quality control, a reduced carbon footprint, reduced risk in the supply chain and lower transportation costs. In addition to manufacturing and distribution, this facility also includes a cutting-edge training centre and rapid product development centre for prototyping, factory acceptance testing and education of the next generation of Emeg apprentices and graduate engineers. The R&D Centre's adoption of lean manufacturing principles and processes allows Emeg Group to develop new products in response to the specific needs of its customer, bringing innovative, fit-for-purpose products to market quickly and cost-effectively. Emeg's impressive client list includes Network Rail as a PADS-approved principal contractor, Etihad Rail, Saudi Arabia Railways, Buckingham Group Contracting and Bombardier, to name just a few. The strength of Emeg's people has always been a key differentiator in this highly competitive marketplace, making its products the pinnacle within the rail industry. Emeg Group, a tradition of rail excellence.